Hi viewers, so in this video I will be playing Chasing Dreams or Waterfalls. So I wrote this song because I am chasing dreams in 2023 and I am so happy that we are in a new year. So this will be a great year for all of us. Oh, I am chasing dreams, oh don't head towards waterfalls. I am chasing dreams, no I won't drown, no I won't, oh no, I won't drift towards waterfalls. 2023 started, I am chasing dreams, ooh ah la la la. Oh, 2023 is the year to chase dreams. Hey, ooh, I am chasing dreams. Oh no, I won't. Oh, I know I won't drift towards waterfalls. Ooh, 2023 started. I am chasing dreams. Ooh, ah, la, 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 la. Well, thank you. That was my song, Chasing Dreams or Waterfalls. I hope that you all enjoyed it because I enjoyed writing this song. Have a great new year and stay safe and have a blessed day.